Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, July 29, 2022 on our channel. RDM have announced the release of update for their line of HVAC and refrigeration PLC controllers. Market launch for ECOOLTEC, transport refrigeration machines. Epta participates in the Observatory on Retail Technology Trends 2022. Frozen bakery market snapshot. Carrier, refrigeration sales were up 9% organically. So, first news today. RDM have announced the release of update for their line of HVAC and refrigeration PLC controllers. Resource Data Management, RDM, have announced the release of a major firmware update for their line of HVAC and refrigeration PLC controllers, Intuitive, Mini Intuitive and Touch XL TDB. TDB software version 4.3 provides enhancements to the user interface and new features which further expand the functionality and flexibility of previous versions. RDM also offers a free-to-download and use TDB desktop editor for users to create their PLC strategies. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Market launch for ECOOLTEC, transport refrigeration machines. ECOOLTEC Großkopf GmbH aims to offer the refrigerated transport industry solutions to the challenges posed by environmental regulations and CO2 certification. To this end, ECOOLTEC has developed a new generation of particularly sustainable, efficient and safe refrigeration machines for a wide range of applications. The startup has optimal prerequisites such as secured financing and experienced employees, most of whom have worked for decades in the field of transport refrigeration. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Epta participates in the Observatory on Retail Technology Trends 2022. Epta renews the partnership with the School of Management of the Polytechnic of Milan and participates in the 2022 edition of the Observatory on Retail Technology Trends. The initiative is a reference point for all active players in the sector of large-scale retail trade. In particular, the Observatory analyzes and presents the most important digital innovations, which are reshaping the world of large-scale retail trade. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Frozen bakery market snapshot. According to Future Market Insights, the global frozen bakery market size is estimated to be valued at $23 billion in 2021 and is projected to reach $49 billion by 2032, recording a CAGR of 7.4% during the forecast period. Key factors that have contributed to the growth of frozen bakery products are a spiraling preference toward convenient food and the popularity of specialty frozen bakery goods. Intra-industry competitiveness is high and affects the market positively. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Carrier, refrigeration sales were up 9% organically. Carrier Global Corporation, the leading global provider of healthy, safe, sustainable and intelligent building and cold chain solutions, today reported financial results for the second quarter of 2022 and increased its full-year earnings outlook. And quote, "Our strong results in the second quarter and first half of 2022 underscore the strength of Carrier's balanced business model, and I want to thank the Carrier team for another solid quarter despite the challenging supply chain environment," end quote, said Carrier Chairman and AMP, CEO David Gitlin. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.